Okay guys, so this is the this is the Grenaro Wireless mic, and if you see the mic over here, this is a wireless mic, and this is how the packaging comes. Yeah, and let me just open this up. Okay, it's kind of tightly packed, which is supposed to be good actually. Let's push it out. So before I open what is there inside, you can see behind what are there in this. It's a 3-in-1 interface. Noise reduction mode is there. You have a silent mode. You have compatibility with many devices like Android, iOS, and cameras, and you have high sound quality also of this. So what do we get inside the package? Is very simple. We get a pamphlet of Grenaro. We get two mics over here. Like it's for two people, like if you conduct an interview or anything, or you can just use one of the mics, it's up to you. And you also have the mic cushions over here, that is like in case you want to go ahead and cover the mic for the wind protection, you can go ahead and use this. Anyhow, it has noise cancellation, so that's not a problem. Apart from that, you have a fast charging type C cable, type C to type C cable. And let's open this up completely, and you also get an adapter. Not bad. So they give a lot of stuff along with it. And this adapter you can use to connect to camera or anything like that. So this is the first mic over here. It has a clip on. Over here you can go ahead and fix the sponge over here. You do have a spot for that. And so there are many modes in this. If you see, the buttons are here. You have a mode on off button, and you can go to noise reduction, just a one button thing. So if you just switch it on over here, it gets on. So in the mode, you can go ahead and use the modes over here by pressing that button. After you pair it, you can go ahead and press the button. As you see, this is an on mic over here. So we'll just shut it down for now by just long pressing the power button. So two mics are out. So now is the main part, the receiver. So if you see this receiver, it is quite a good receiver where you have type C, you have lightning port, and also you have the 3.5mm jack, which we are going to connect to this. This will reduce the sound also, the noise reduction, plus it's easier to connect to the camera. So if you see, this is just one of the mics over here. What I'm going to do is, now you are able to hear me in this mic clearly, and now I will go to my main camera where I'll be connecting it to the main camera, and if you're able to see me there, it's well and good. And let's also hear the recording, how it sounds. We will switch between this mic and that mic and see how good it is. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay guys, so we are on the main camera now, and we are just testing the mic over here. Let's hear the quality of the mic. If you are able to hear me, do let me know, because we'll compare this with the other mic or my wired mic also and let you know. Because we are just testing the mic over here, in which what I can say about this mic is it is sleek, it's good. You can just go ahead and connect it to your shirt like this, and you will be able to speak hands-free also. And the pros about this is, as I told you, like, this is very inexpensive. It's about 1,800 bucks on Amazon during the sale. Like, if you do buy this apart from the sale, it will come to 2,500. You get two mics for this, not just one, two mics and a receiver. So this is one of the best things which you can buy if you're wishing to go ahead and if you're a new YouTuber, Instagrammer, or you just need a mic for your own. It's inexpensive. So as I told you, these are the pros of this, and the sound quality, you can judge and tell me how good it is. And about the cons, it is a little bit plasticky, but for 1,800, what do you get? A Rode microphone costs about 21,000. So this is very less compared to that, and it is better than Digitech microphones. And please see. So I'm the secondary camera, I'm just attaching the other mic and I'm recording in that, if you're able to see. So we will compare the both audios over here, and it's just vertically next to me, both the cameras, where you're able to hear them however you are. Please put your comments. This comparison over here and put your notes on comments whether the voice clarity of this is better or the other microphone is better. Okay, so because we do need a voice clarity test also, so this is a live test I'm doing where I'm not going to check unless and until I edit this. So let's see whose microphone quality is better. And if you did like this video, please do go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. It helps the channel a lot. This Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day.